Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by duplicating the background layer so you can undo without harm. Once duplicated, use the lasso or marquee to roughly select the text. Feather by 0. 2 pixels so the patch blends. Next, choose Edit Content Aware Fill for larger text, or the Spot Healing Brush set to Content Aware for quick fixes. As you apply, watch the preview and make small selections rather than one huge one, because smaller areas yield cleaner fills, and avoid odd pattern repeats. Once the initial fill is acceptable, make a new layer and switch to the clone stamp with a soft brush at 50-75% opacity to recreate fine texture and align patterns. Then sample nearby clean areas with Alt and gently paint. Make short strokes and resample often. After that, use the healing brush to merge color and grain so edges disappear naturally. Make sure to apply a layer mask and paint with black to hide any overcorrections, because that keeps your edits reversible and precise. You finish by checking overall tone. Use levels or curves on an adjustment layer, clip to your edited area to match brightness and contrast. Once tonal match is good, add a tiny uniform noise of 0.52% to restore film grain if the repaired area looks too smooth. Then save a layered PSD for future edits and export a flattened JPG at your chosen quality. If seams remain visible, zoom to 100% and reclone small areas. Troubleshooting tip: toggle the edit layer on and off to isolate problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.